All right, it's patty time with our 6th patty from a place called Patty Time in Scarborough. Yeah, I'm back on the east side for work. I wanted to get this the other day, but they were closed on Monday, so we got it now. Boom. Let's check it out. The pictures on the Google Maps reviews, like these boys were loaded. Like you could see it's kind of fat in the middle part. So these were like, the most from the pictures. Like these are going to be the ones with the most meat. How much were they? $2.95 each. So these are officially the most expensive ones. Alwyn's, those were $2.75. So I thought those were expensive, but these are like almost $3 each. Yeah, you could already see the meat. It's really like, oh shit. Yeah, that's a lot. I've never seen that much meat in a beef patty. Jeez Louise. And it's like, it's really, if I cover my face, you can see it better, but it's really like wet looking, like in a good way. Yeah, and there's like, these guys didn't have, what's it called? They did not give you a choice. Like there's just beef patties, that's it. There's no mild or spicy. They had chicken. The review said the chicken ones were kind of not great, so I'm not really a chicken patty guy either. But yeah, look at that, man. That is, oh, look at that. Holy crap. The bread is like, it's super flaky. It's really thin too. But yeah, the meat is just insane. You could see some red stuff in it, so maybe it is like a little spice. See that red thing in there? And that green thing? Pretty sure those are like some kind of peppers or something, so. It's hot. It's good. There is a shitload of meat. Like you could really feel chunks of ground beef. In other patties, it's not like that. It's like a lot pastier or soft. It's like you don't feel chunks of meat. I don't know if I like that or not. Flavor wise, it's kind of blandish. Not bland, I don't want to say that. It's got flavor, but it's not like, I don't know. I think Alwyn's messed me up. That shit was crazy, like flavor wise. Like this is good. It's overall like a good quality patty. But yeah, definitely missing something. For this one here, there's so many different factors to consider. Like you're gonna get extra points for having, the most meat in the patty. But like the price, it's the most expensive one. That's gonna, take some points off. Just because it's like, it's not bad, but for being the most expensive, you're kind of expecting a little more. So I guess you get more meat, but the flavor is just, sorry, my eyes are messed up today. The flavor is just not really there. It's not bad, but there's nothing like great about it. Holy shit. But yeah, who was that one the other day that got the shitty score? The Randy score, 6.9. This one's I'm gonna put it above that, so we'll give this guy I'm gonna go with 7.1. That's fair. Yeah, it's good. It's, I don't know if I'm gonna come back. I might come back to try the chicken one, or not try it, but get it for my wife. But yeah, 7.1. All right, on to the next. See you guys in a bit.